Hi, everyone, and welcome to the AMA Educational Podcast here with your host, Caroline Webster. Today, our topic is going to be on the opioid addiction. And this is a very interesting topic and something that has, been brought up many times because it really is a crisis in our community and it really is something that is an epidemic. And so I'm very excited to talk with everyone that's listening today, just so we can spread the word. And I would love to hear any feedback that anybody has or any ideas that we can, share with each other on how to prevent this addiction from spreading around our communities. As everyone knows, opioids are, can be a great thing that many healthcare providers turn to when they need to find something to alleviate pain and help people overcome health complications. I'm sure each of us probably know one or two people that have used opioids to overcome pain and to overcome different injuries or different things that they may be going through just so they can heal faster and better. But sometimes we forget the problems that can come from opioid addiction. And I'm sure we know somebody that may also have, abused opioid addiction. I know a couple people, in fact, that um, personally that have suffered from opioid addiction. And it's very intense thing, and it's very real thing that our community should be looking out for. So we're just going to talk a little bit about, some things that we as healthcare providers can do um, to stop this together, because it starts here with us as healthcare providers. We're the ones handing out prescriptions each and every day to our patients, and so it's going to start with us if we want to end the epidemic. So first, I just want to, there's a few things that we're going to be talking about that are options that we can offer to patients. The first one is that we're going to talk about is massage, acupuncture, and chiropractic care. And I'm just going to go down the line here, and we'll go into more detail in a second. But second, we're going to talk about physical therapy and exercise, acetaminophen and ibuprofen, serotonin and norepinephrine reuptake inhibitors, and cognitive behavioral therapy. And each of these things can be used as alternatives to opioid addiction. In fact, when we get down to ibuprofen and acetaminophen, we'll see that these medications and a lot of these different alternatives actually have a greater effect than opioids do. So we'll go ahead and talk about the first one.